On the afternoon of May 24, 2026, an Arkansas State Police trooper attempted to pull over a Toyota Highlander for a traffic violation on the outskirts of Camden, Arkansas.
Down 47, speeds are 100. This church go down Holly Road, go to traffic. Continuing south on 47, speeds are 100.
Alright, he's crashed out,
Hey, watch those lines, they're touching the car. Get back, Justin, get back.
28,
Is everybody awake?
Yes.
They're moving?
Yes. I don't know where my baby's at.
I have your baby, she's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Power lines are on fire. Go on top of the vehicle.
Come here, get that off your hair. Come here. He okay? Come here, buddy. Hey, you better stay in the car right now. Stay in the car. Go to Trooper Harper, okay? Put your hand down. Stay inside the car. Do not come out. You see them power lines? If it touches the car, it's going to kill you. Hey, sweetie, you see Trooper Harper? Go right to him. Hands on top of the car. Yes.
Are you okay? Little pet? Oh, you got a scratch? Come in here, baby. You're okay.
I'm going to jail.
No, you're not going to jail. You're good, baby. No! No. You're not going to jail.
Is the baby okay?
Yes. Yes, she's fine.
Oh, there's another baby?
Yep. He can't get out. There's a baby in the car still.
Yeah. I ain't got a key. I'm just that damn power line.
Keep your hands on the car.
I don't know how much longer that's gonna hold before it burns and falls. The kid's got a broke arm.
You okay? Let me see. Let me see. Does it hurt? Yeah, how old are you?
Hey, buddy. You okay? Yeah, it was...
You're okay. You're okay.
Hey, can you stop? Hey, you know. Get over for Bubba. Are you hurt anywhere? my phone is in the car. Okay. Why are you running? I thought, I don't know if I was talking to you. You weren't talking to me? You got a warrant? No, hope not. I had a gun before. You a felon? Okay.
Here's a sticker.
Sure, I guess.
Here's a sticker. Hey Bubba. Hey Bubba, you want a sticker? You put it on your shirt?
Y'all want to start rerouting people?
What are you doing?
Laying down.
You want me to roll over? Yeah, you need to set up. EMS will check you out. You need to be last on the little house. What's your kid's name? Starting from the infant. The infant.
The infant.
Do you know the infant's name?
We call the people home. I'm trying to think her actual first name. Kingsley. Like, the oldest name is the youngest is similar to but it's not.
Okay, we'll worry about it. We'll get in contact with the mom where she remembers her kid's name.
Hey, so I'm beyond feeling sorry. Now I'm at the off stage, okay? So let's not beat on the window no more. Medics will come check on you in a minute. All the kids are fine.
Oh.
Okay? We'll talk about everything else going on here in just a little bit. For right now, we'll turn the AC on so you're not cooking. You sit back here and hang out, okay? The medic is going to come check on you just a second. I've already looked at you. The medic's going to come check on you just a second. We'll go from there, okay? No more beating on the window.
The 4-month-old infant and 3 other children, all under the age of 6, were transported to Wichita County Medical Center and treated for minor injuries. Therese Fletcher, 28, was taken into custody and transported to the Wichita County Detention Center. Troopers say a defaced firearm and illegal marijuana were recovered from the vehicle. Fletcher, a convicted felon, now faces multiple charges, including felony fleeing, 4 counts of endangering the welfare of a minor, possession of a firearm by certain persons, and possession of a controlled substance. Following the incident, Arkansas State Police Colonel Mike Hager said the department is working with the governor's office to pursue legislation that would increase penalties for suspects who flee law enforcement with children in the vehicle.